Hi everybody, sorry we haven't posted in a while. I don't know where time went. It just zooms by. But we want to say hello to all of you, all of my subscribers on YouTube and you birdies and pets and everything. Yeah, oh. Yes, yeah, Beanie says hello, and we love all of you. And hope that you will please like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. We really appreciate it. Thank you so much. We hope all of you are well and healthy or getting better or something like that, close to that. Yeah, Beanie and I want to make you feel better, just saying hello and that we care. You take care. We love all of you. Bye-bye.